I'm going to walk you through the ambiguous case for the law of sine. The good news is it is the law of sine, so it's easy to remember, easy to use. The bad news is the concept initially is going to be a little bit tricky, but once you get the hang of it, once you understand that logic, it's pretty easy to apply. What is the ambiguous case? The ambiguous case basically means you could have possibly no solution to your answers. You could have one solution, or you could possibly have two solutions to your answers. The process in doing that is, step number one is to make sure that we are in an ambiguous situation, which means you have to check your ASS. Capital A, lowercase sides means you have one angle and two sides. And more importantly, you know you have ASS if one of these two sides happens to be the same letter as that capital angle. So let's do a real quick practice of this situation. Okay, so we're just recognizing our ASS. Okay, so this is an example of ASS because it's one capital letter, two lowercase sides, and this happens to be the same letter as that angle. Same thing here. This is a capital angle, two lowercase sides. This happens to be the same one here. If you could pause this video real quickly, take a look at each one of these, and real quickly identify which one is ASS and which one is not, that would be great. Okay. All right. Welcome back. So if I take a look at these three, is that ASS? And the answer is no. Okay, I have two capital letters, which means it's AAS. Take a look at this one. Is it ASS? And the answer is yes. Okay, I have one capital, two lowercase. That happens to be the same as that letter. Is this ASS? And the answer is no. Even though I have one capital and two lowercase, none of these match this, so that is not ASS. Take a look at this. The answer is yes. One capital, two lowercase, that happens to match this. Is this ASS? The answer is yes. One capital, two lowercase, that happens to match that. Is this ASS? And the answer is yes. One capital, two lowercase, and that happens to match this. So again, once you recognize that you're in an ASS situation, only then do you need to ask yourself the second question. Is your ASS big or small? Okay, so look at your angle. Do you like it big or do you like it small? I like it big because that typically is a little bit easier. You don't have to pull out your calculator to check how many answers you have. Whereas the cute one, there is one initial step that you have to do at the very beginning.